Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today is very easy, very quick, very yummy, very delicious, very everything. It's a sweet sour grilled vegetables with couscous. I love salads and I love vegetables. I prefer vegetables to meat. And at some point I will become a vegetarian, not just yet because my kids love meat. I'm going to start with my vegetables. So I've got zucchini, peppers, aubergine, onion. Now the seasoning, bit of chili, some dried oregano. If you have it fresh, use fresh oregano. I've got sugar, that's going to give the sweet, salt, and I've got some garlic, tomatoes, I've got vinegar, that's going to give the sour, olive oil. I'm going to toss it, and this is going to go in a preheated oven, 200 degrees for half an hour. You have to check it every now and again and turn the vegetables over so the surface does not scorch. And now some pine nuts. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil, and I've added them to the vegetables. Follow the instructions on the box for cooking the couscous. I'm just going to fluff it with a fork. For the garlic, I'm going to peel it, and I'm just going to mash it with the back of the fork. When the garlic is grilled, it has such a sweetness that is really yummy. I've got some parsley. Now I'm going to toss everything. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil. Perfect.